Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I used my Cricut cutting machine to put my logo on these Shein t-shirts. Let's get started. And the first thing I'm going to do is open Design Space, choose my logo, and size them to 7 inches. Then I'm going to mirror my images and choose Everyday Iron On Vinyl. Prepare my matte shiny side down for HTV and get ready to cut. And next I'm going to weed my vinyl off camera. So I'll be using the Shein t-shirts, my mini iron, and my labels that I just cut out and weeded. And this is a quick video showing you how I put my logo on these Shein t-shirts. If you would like a full tutorial, just leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to get that to you. And there you have it, your beautiful logo shirts. And here I am trying on the logo shirts. Of course I think I'm cute, so I'm going to prance and stuff. And thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give me the thumbs up. And for more videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, stay ambitious.